Now, Microsoft just did something that I didn't even know a company was able to do, which was buy 4% of the London Stock Exchange. Now, this was part of a 10-year cloud deal where they were able to purchase up to 4% stake in the stock exchange while actually providing the backend data infrastructure for them. Now, Microsoft purchased this 4% stake from Blackstone, which is one of the largest investment firms. Now, this is a smart way for Microsoft to actually enforce organizations to use the Microsoft Azure cloud service instead of Amazon's AWS. Because part of this agreement, there was a minimum $2.8 billion spending that the London Stock Exchange would have to actually spend towards Microsoft. Now, this is a smart idea for Microsoft to actually enter the financial services space. Now, over the past 2 years, they've seen other large organizations actually get into financial products, and they've really been taking the back run on it. Now, Microsoft's never been the one to actually create a brand new product on the front end. They've always sort of adopted new back-end products and just integrated it into the Microsoft Cloud Suite. The back end of Microsoft is just to ensure a lot of services are functional and providing its users a reliable service. Now, this overall agreement is just going to completely help Microsoft as it's going to enter the financial data analytics services, maybe even taking it to the New York Stock Exchange. Because over the past few years, there have been a lot of companies that have just made a lot of money specifically on financial services, and Microsoft's just sort of seen this as their time to actually enter the market. Now, I see this as a long-term bullish position for Microsoft to just continuously enter financial services and having them not only rely on their cloud services, but use their applications. Now, it's moves like this that hopefully they can increase their market share compared to services like AWS. Because unfortunately for Microsoft, AWS has a large stake in the NASDAQ, as the NASDAQ has been actually building up their overall services that they use from Amazon. Now, currently a lot of cloud services are sort of facing a peak, especially when it comes to a bear market, when a lot of investors don't have enough money to spend for capital. So these companies are going to find it harder to find and even scale their services. Now, as far as my individual stocks go, thankfully Microsoft's one of them, and I'm glad that they're actually making good decision moves at a time like this. So I don't see me stopping a dollar cost average method into Microsoft anytime soon. But let me know what you think of the move down in the comments below, and if you enjoyed the video, like or subscribe for more content like this.